Hey, come here. I got a cool house to show you today. If I was a first-time home buyer or if I was looking for a flip property, this would be the one I'd be buying. Come in and check out this awesome house in Brier Park. So when you're buying your first home, everyone's looking for that perfect move-in ready home. That's actually a mistake from an investment point of view. You actually want a home that you can move in, live in, but also improve while you live here. And this is a perfect place. It's in an amazing neighborhood. It's the great size, got solid bones, and it just needs a little bit of your own personal touch. Let's check this place out. So right in the front door, we've got this great kitchen and living room. There's huge windows behind me, and the kitchen's in actually really good shape. I wouldn't even touch it if I moved in here. Down this short hallway, you've actually got 3 bedrooms on this level and a full bathroom. Okay, I want to show you my favorite part of this house. Come on downstairs. So the basement of this home is fully finished, effectively doubling your square footage. Over here, we've got a powder room, which makes it super convenient down here. Behind me, laundry room and workshop, full bonus room. You can sneak whatever you want in here, but come check this out. This is my favorite. There's so much character, and actually half of this is already coming back into style. You got these cool walls finished here, the wood paneling, this amazing fireplace. And check out this retro vibe, this cool bar behind me. I would just bring my furniture here and have the coolest parties. You're gonna love this house. Out back is a super low maintenance yard. You're gonna love hanging out here under these fruit trees. Brand new driveway. If you want any more information about this property or any property you see on the market, all my information is right in the video description below.